Let's see what's on the farm.
Little cow, where are you? Here I am, moo, moo, moo. Little cow, what do you do? I make milk every day. Little piggy, where are you? Here I am, oink, oink, oink. Little piggy, what do you do? I love mud, rolling around. Little sheep, where are you? Here I am, ba, ba, ba. Little sheep, what do you do? I make wool every day. Little horse, where are you? Here I am, neigh, neigh, neigh. Little horse, what do you do? I run fast every day. Little duck, where are you? Here I am, quack, quack, quack. Little duck, what do you do? I love swimming round the pond.
Jolly, jolly! Subscribe!